Deep in the East Asian jungle exists a small village with little women with long hair, called the Yao women of Guilin, China. I've had the privilege of being an apprentice under these beautiful women the last 2 months because I myself am on a long hair journey and wanted to learn from the pros. These women are most well known for having the world's longest hair because they use rice water on their hair since ancient Chinese times. These women, their hair grows up to 6.5 feet long and doesn't turn gray. They have a small factory in their village where they sell and make their rice water products, which I have been buying to sell myself on my website. It's been a partnership between the two of us, and it's been nothing but a pleasure. These women are most well known for their long hair, but I was surprised to find out today during their cultural festival that their roots come from Africa. Now, this isn't the Africa that you and I think of when we think of Africa. This was pre-Ice Age Africa. During the Ice Age, a lot of East Africans got displaced to East Asia. That's including Guilin, Guangxi, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, and some other parts of Asia. So these women still celebrate their African heritage in these cultural festivals. I want you guys to come along with me as I explore and show you more of this super power-packed little village in the mountains of China. We arrived in Honglu and our first stop was here, the rice water factory. This is the only rice water factory that is in Guilin that actually even exists for these Yao women. They make their rice water hair growth products here in Guilin because the key ingredient is the longji rice that is only grown and made here in Guilin, and also the key is the mountain water. They use the mountain water to make the rice water, which is a key component in their product. 多少？20。20。好的。要一个两个要两个？两个我。两个。那个小孩的。对，我要这个。对。这个是小朋友的。要两个。两个多少？2个40吗？40。好。可以的。可以。
一般的这个少数民族，中国的，分这个房子分3层。3层。
3层，好。
第1层，不住人的，养猪养，听得懂吗？
可以。好的。
居住的房间，
You guys, this is a traditional Honglu Yao house.
他们在这里煮饭，这个腊肉。
And this is where they dry their beef above like a fire every day. Oh.
看得懂吗？
可以。
放粮食的。
好。Okay. Oh, they sleep up here. Oh. And look, they have the conditioner. The conditioner, you guys, they use their own products. Josie, she's 92. Out there. Out there. Huh? Oh, yeah. 对，我要这个。多少？什么？多少？15哈。
多少钱
？I then head to the factory where they make the rice water products. Like I mentioned, this is the only factory that makes these products because they don't have the infrastructure to carry the ingredients all over, I guess. So yeah, right now this is the only factory. They are very scared that their rice water recipe is going to get leaked. They are so serious about it that they keep everything here in Guilin. But it's really cool. The factory has a small museum in the front where they teach you everything about hair, why the hair never turns gray, how they've been studying hair for centuries and centuries and centuries and centuries. A lot of people like to say it's because of genetics. A lot of people here on this YouTube channel commented to me that it was genetics. They get so offended when you say that because this is just not true. The rest of China does not have hair like them. The rest of China, they go gray. Actually, Chinese people go gray more than any other race on the planet. And their hair is not particularly long or thick. So this is 100% a rice water thing. They know this is because of the rice water. It has nothing to do with genetics, and they're very afraid their recipe will get out. By the way, if you'd like to buy their products, I have them on my website for another 24 hours. Then I got introduced to a culture festival.
于富贵，因此我们的长发不会丢掉。那么大家可以看一下，站在我右手边的阿嫂盘出来的发型叫螺丝盘发，是结婚没有生小孩的发型，它盘圆形的。而站在我左手边的阿嫂盘出来的发型叫乌龙盘发，是结了婚已经生了小孩的发型，前额盘出一个发髻出来。我头上这种用头巾严实时包裹好的，是我们姚家年轻。